Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up settings. Then scroll down until you get to Google right here. Click on Google. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on your Google account name. Proceed with your Google account. The next thing you want to do is to click on Password Manager. The next thing you want to do right here from your Password Manager, you're going to see for added safety, encrypt your passwords on your device before they are saved to your Google Password Manager. Click on Setup right here. Take control of your password encryption. Scroll down right here. Scroll down right here and make sure you hit on Next. Things to consider. Once undefined encryption is set up, you can remove it. Some sites and apps will no longer sign you in automatically. To access your encrypted password on another device or browser, you can unlock with them with your Google password or with Screen this file. Next thing you want to do here is to click on Setup. Updating password encryption. You are all set. Next thing you want to do is to click on Done. With that, you have secure and improved the security of your password manager in your Google account. For more tutorial about how to secure your Google account and password manager, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.